Hey there, welcome to our channel, Business World. Today, we're going to show you 7 business ideas that could be your next big thing. Whether you're a pro or just starting, we've got something for you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's find your next adventure. 1. Food dehydration machine. If you're seeking the lucrative small business opportunity, consider the booming world of food dehydration. With the increasing demand for healthy, preservative-free snacks, investing in a high-quality food dehydrator could be your key to success. This innovative machine efficiently removes moisture from fruits, vegetables, and other foods, creating a wide range of delectable and nutritious treats. Its multi-layer tray system and adjustable temperature controls ensure consistent results, allowing you to craft a diverse product line that caters to health-conscious consumers. Food dehydration offers numerous advantages for your small business. You can create unique, flavorful snacks that are free from artificial additives, appealing to customers who prioritize health and wellness. Plus, by preserving surplus produce, you contribute to sustainability and reduce food waste. Starting a food dehydration business is user-friendly and accessible. With clear instructions and intuitive controls, anyone can master the art of dehydration and produce high-quality snacks. The growing demand for healthy, portable treats provides ample opportunities for growth and success. Investing in a cutting-edge food dehydrator can be the catalyst for a thriving small business. By leveraging the power of food dehydration, you can create profitable, impactful products that resonate with modern consumers. Embrace this exciting entrepreneurial journey and unlock the potential of food dehydration today. 2. Oil extraction machine. This innovative device allows you to efficiently extract high-quality oils from various seeds, nuts, and fruits, tapping into the growing market of natural and organic products. The home oil extraction machine is a compact, commercial-grade solution that enables you to produce a wide range of oils, including cooking oils, essential oils, and beauty oils. Its advanced technology ensures maximum yield and quality, while its user-friendly design makes it accessible to both novice and experienced entrepreneurs. By starting an oil extraction business, you can cater to healthcare-conscious consumers who prioritize natural and sustainable products. Sourcing local, organic raw materials and producing oils in-house allows you to offer unique, artisanal products that stand out in the market. Plus, you'll be contributing to a more eco-friendly supply chain. The global demand for natural and organic oils is rapidly growing, presenting significant financial potential for your business. With the home oil extraction machine, you can capitalize on this thriving market and build a profitable venture that aligns with your values. 3. Boba milk tea machine. The automatic Boba milk tea machine offers versatility, enabling you to provide a wide range of flavors and customization options to cater to diverse customer preferences. Its compact size and low maintenance requirements make it ideal for small kiosks, food trucks, or home-based businesses, minimizing startup costs and maximizing profitability. The boba milk tea industry is a rapidly growing market with a loyal customer base. By offering high-quality, customizable drinks, you can quickly build a strong reputation and attract repeat customers. The machine's sleek design adds to the aesthetic appeal of your shop, creating an inviting atmosphere. Starting a boba milk tea business with the automatic boba milk tea machine allows you to tap into the trend of personalization while expressing your creativity through your shop decor, branding, and menu offerings. With this machine, you can embark on a fun and rewarding entrepreneurial journey. The automatic boba milk tea machine is your key to launching a successful boba milk tea business. Its user-friendly operation, versatility, and consistent results empower you to enter a thriving market and build a profitable venture. Seize this opportunity to become your own boss and invest in the automatic boba milk tea machine today. 4. Popsicle making machine. This innovative popsicle making machine presents an enticing opportunity to tap into the booming artisanal frozen treat market. With automated production, it streamlines the labor-intensive process while delivering visually stunning popsicles in endless flavor varieties. What sets this machine apart is its remarkable versatility. Offer a wide range of fruit-based, creamy, or decadent frozen delights to cater to diverse tastes and dietary needs. Capitalize on consumer demand for unique, Instagram-worthy treats. Envision a vibrant popsicle shop, mobile cart, or dedicated frozen station within an existing business. By automating production, this cost-effective machine minimizes training needs and overhead. Starting a popsicle business with the popsicle making machine allows you to tap into the trend of artisanal and handcrafted products. By creating popsicles using fresh, natural ingredients and showcasing your creativity, you can build a loyal customer base that appreciates the artistry behind your products. 5. Cutting-edge UV printer. This cutting-edge UV printer presents an enticing business opportunity in the booming market for personalized and customized products. With its advanced technology and expansive ink capabilities, you can produce vibrant, durable prints on a wide range of materials. What sets this printer apart is its remarkable versatility. Offer unique items like customized merchandise, artwork, signage, and more. By leveraging its ability to handle various print sizes and unconventional substrates, envision a thriving print-on-demand business, creative studio, or specialized printing service catering to the consumer demand for one-of-a-kind personalized products. Don't miss this opportunity to tap into the booming market for unique and creative offerings. Invest in this remarkable UV printer and unlock a world of entrepreneurial potential. Whether you're a seasoned business owner, a budding creative entrepreneur, or an artist seeking new avenues for your work, this innovation offers a unique and highly profitable venture that is sure to capture the attention and imagination of customers far and wide. Embrace the future of personalized printing and unleash your creative spirit with this game-changing, cutting-edge UV printer. The time to capitalize on this lucrative trend is now. 6. Rice Biscuit Machine. The Rice Biscuit Machine offers flexibility in creating various shapes, sizes, and flavors, giving you the opportunity to develop unique products that set your business apart. Its compact size and efficient design make it ideal for small production spaces or home-based businesses, minimizing startup costs and maximizing profitability. By offering clean label and wholesome rice biscuits, you can cater to health-conscious consumers and establish your business as a leader in the healthy snack market. The machine's high production capacity enables you to meet the demands of your growing customer base and explore multiple revenue streams, such as selling to local cafes, specialty food stores, or partnering with other businesses. The Rice Biscuit Machine also allows for endless customization and branding opportunities, helping you create a signature product line and attract a loyal following. As your business grows, you can expand your offerings and even consider subscription boxes or online sales to reach a wider audience. 7. Automatic Noodle Making Machine. The automatic noodle making machine offers flexibility in producing various noodle types, from traditional egg noodles to unique varieties like spinach or beetroot noodles. Its adjustable settings enable you to cater to diverse customer preferences and dietary requirements, helping you establish your business as a leader in the noodle market. Investing in this machine is a smart choice for entrepreneurs, as its compact size and efficient design make it suitable for small production spaces or home-based businesses. The high production capacity allows you to meet the demands of your growing customer base and explore multiple revenue streams, such as selling to local restaurants or partnering with food delivery platforms. The automatic noodle making machine also offers branding and marketing opportunities, allowing you to create visually appealing products and develop a strong brand identity. As your business grows, you can expand your offerings and even consider noodle making workshops or classes to engage with your customers. The automatic noodle making machine presents a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurs to start a profitable and scalable noodle business. By offering customizable, diverse, and high-quality noodle products, you can create a loyal customer base and enjoy the rewards of being your own boss in the exciting food industry. Invest in the automatic noodle making machine today and take the first step towards your entrepreneurial dreams. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.